Saying number 191. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. In this world man is the target towards which the arrows of death fly, and is like that wealth whose destruction is quickened by hardships. In this world, with every drink there is suffocation and with every morsel there is choking. Here no one gets anything unless he loses something else. And not a day of his age advances till a day passes out from his life. Thus, we are helpers of death and our lives are the targets of mortality. How then can we expect everlasting life since the night and day do not raise anything high without quickly arranging for the destruction of whatever they have built and for the splitting asunder of whatever they have joined together?